Oreo ice cream or Nutella milkshake, EOS with cream filling, or a banana with chocolate spread? Learn the best Oreo and Nutella recipes in our new video. Rosie made her kitchen look like a total mess. Only one thing can help. A vacation? No, a stress reliever. It's glittering slime soap in a Nutella jar. Mix 7 ounces of liquid soap with 3.5 ounces of slime glue, baking soda, and blue food coloring. Stir it. Pour in lens solution. Add blue glitter to the blue slime. Make one more glittering purple slime. Put the slimes into an empty Nutella jar. Rosie takes the galaxy spread out of the jar. This is just what she needs. The chef relaxes her fingers with this glittering soapy slime and finds a solution. She needs an assistant. This new chef's resume is pretty impressive. Miss Blanche has experience working in the most exquisite restaurants. Let's see if she can handle our unique menu. Nutella and Oreos are necessary ingredients in all our dishes. Impress us, haute cuisine! Miss Blanche presents a crouton with a blanched Oreo. This is way too fancy, Miss Blanche. We serve simpler dishes. Try out popcorn with Nutella and Oreo flavors. Microwave Nutella for 1 minute. Pour it on top of ready popcorn. Stir it and place it onto a baking tray. Put it into an oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The Nutella popcorn dries a little and your hands won't get dirty. Rosie hands her hat and her workplace over to the new chef. And she can be a restaurant critic for once in her life. Chef Blanche has never eaten popcorn like this before. What an unusual combination of flavors. Put Oreo cookies into a Ziploc bag and crumble them. Put the crumbs into melted white chocolate. Mix it and pour it into popcorn. Place the popcorn on parchment paper. Let it harden. Yummy! The chef can't decide which popcorn is better, Nutella or Oreo. But after careful consideration, she prefers the Oreo glaze. Rosie orders cookies. Miss Blanche made them from Nutella. Mix 9 ounces of Nutella, 1 egg, and 5.5 ounces of flour. Roll balls of dough and put them on parchment paper. Flatten them with a glass. Bake them for 7 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Aromatic Nutella cookies are all done. The critics should taste them. Rosie sniffs the cookies. The smell is so intense, but say no more. The chef knows what this dish is missing: a delicate, creamy Oreo sauce. Take the filling out of double stuffed Oreos. Microwave it until it becomes liquid. Dip fruits or cookies into the sauce. Miss Blanche serves an exquisite white Oreo sauce to go with the crunchy Nutella cookies. This is a flavor match made in heaven. The critic Rosie wants to wash down the dessert. Your drink will be ready in a minute. Put vanilla ice cream, Oreo cookies, and milk into a blender. Mix it to a smooth consistency. Pour it into a glass. Decorate with whipped cream and cookie halves. Chef Blanche made a sweet and delicious Oreo milkshake. Rosie starts the taste test. The appearance and the sweetness are flawless. Good job, Miss Blanche! And the chef has another milkshake ready. This time, it's Nutella flavored. Mix vanilla ice cream, Nutella, and milk in a blender. Pour it into a glass. Decorate with whipped cream and cocoa powder. Rosie is drinking the milky Nutella. It has such a rich flavor and scent. But the Oreo milkshake is still more interesting. I'll put this on the new menu. Now let's check how well you can communicate with clients. Our cranky client Rosie wants to eat some Oreo, but doesn't want to dip her fingers into milk. What should she do? Chef Blanche comes up with a life hack. Let's use wooden skewers. Put cookies onto them and safely dip them into a glass of milk. What an amazing solution! Now let's deal with Nutella. We've got a critical situation here. If your client is a child who keeps getting dirty and sticking fingers into the jar, what would you do? A new service: edible fingertips for Nutella. Wrap foil into a finger-sized cone. Coat the mold with pastry dough. Make 10 cones. Bake them in an oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Take the foil out of the baked cones. Let's test the new invention. These fingertips would be great for people who love licking their fingers. A crunchy dessert and clean hands. Miss Blanche lost her inspiration. She can't come up with a new recipe. Keep calm. Rosie knows a way out. You just have to eat some special Oreo ice cream. Crumble Oreo cookies. Mix them with ice cream. Let the mixture freeze. Put the ice cream into a bowl and sprinkle it with Oreo crumbs. The girls try out the exquisite dessert. Marble ice cream with pieces of Oreo melts in your mouth. Miss Blanche gets inspired and comes up with a new recipe right away. But that's not all yet. Rosie impresses the chef with creative Nutella ice cream. Mix 18 ounces of milk with 7 ounces of heavy cream. Put in 3½ ounces of powdered sugar and 4 tablespoons of Nutella. Mix it with a blender. Pour the mixture into ice cream molds and freeze it. Miss Blanche tastes the Nutella ice cream. The flavor is so light, and it has a soft chocolate smell. Too bad there isn't that much of it. Blanche didn't even manage to taste it properly. Thank goodness Rosie has some more. Even a smudge-proof lipstick can't endure this taste test. That's why Rosie always has Oreo EOS on hand. Take an EOS container apart. Put the grid into the cap. Take the filling out of a strawberry Oreo. Mix the remains of lip balm with the filling. Add coconut oil and microwave it. Pour the lip balm into the container and let it harden. Coat the container with blue acrylic paint. Add an Oreo logo. Apply the EOS with strawberry filling onto your lips. So beautiful! Chef Blanche is ready to show her skills, and she asks for a more difficult task. Try and use a banana. Surprise us, Blanche! Divide a banana in half. Stick in wooden skewers. Coat the banana with honey. Finally, crumble an Oreo. Add sprinkles and coat the pieces with the sweet crumbs. Blanche presents her new dish: Oreo-coated bananas on skewers. Edible, trendy, and ergonomic, but something special is missing. Then try out this Nutella banana with a surprise inside. Warm up Nutella in a microwave for 30 seconds. Fill a syringe with the spread. Put a thin straw in it. Cut a tip off a banana. Use a wide cocktail straw to make a hole inside and fill it with Nutella. Rosie peels the banana. It looks normal, but there's a chocolate secret hiding inside. The Nutella filling makes the banana special. This dish is definitely the best. Rosie gives Miss Blanche a new task. She has to bake a creative Oreo muffin in just 3 minutes. Your time starts now. Crumble Oreos in a blender. Put 4 tablespoons of crumbled Oreo into a cup. Add 1 egg, 2 spoons of melted butter, the same amount of milk, and some baking powder. Stir it, and add in 1 spoon of flour. Put the mixture into a microwave for 3.5 minutes. Decorate the ready muffin with whipped cream. Add cookie pieces and crumbles. Chef Blanche is adding the final touches, but she doesn't manage to taste her creation. The impatient critic wants to taste it too. Not bad! Rosie eats the muffin longer than it cooked for. Miss Blanche got bored. Plus, she's out of Nutella. Actually, that's a great opportunity to do some kitchen experiments. Put oats into a jar with the Nutella remains. Pour in hot milk. What is Chef Blanche up to? She's using a Nutella jar as a shaker. Should we expect a new cocktail? Pour the oatmeal into a bowl. Decorate it with strawberries and nuts. Blanche presents her new dish. This is a healthy breakfast with oatmeal and Nutella. Rosie likes the chef's creative approach. Chef Blanche is anxious. There aren't any more Oreos in the kitchen. How are we supposed to work now? Rosie shows her stash to the chef. This jar of Nutella is actually a secret vault. Coat the inside of an empty Nutella jar with brown acrylic paint. Hide money or other valuable things inside and close the cap. Miss Blanche takes a look inside the jar. It's hiding an emergency supply of Oreos. What a clever idea! There is one unusual Oreo among the cookies. It's a magnet. Why is it here? Pour hot glue onto parchment paper. Make an Oreo imprint. Take the cookie out when the glue is dry. Soak the mold in water. Clean the cookie remains with a brush. Mix black and light orange clay. Press it into the mold and let it harden. Make 2 cookie halves. Cut a filling circle out of white felt. Hot glue the pieces together and attach a magnet. Rosie has an important announcement. Chef Blanche is the best employee of our restaurant. Everyone should see this award. Let's attach it to the fridge with a magnet. Everyone has to see Miss Blanche's success. Did you like our Nutella and Oreo ideas? Then write in the comments which recipe you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new recipes on Troom Troom.